Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to teach you how to sharpen a chainsaw blade. All right, when it comes to sharpening chainsaw blades, there's a bunch of different tools and jigs out there that you can use. This one by Oregon, and then this Dremel attachment, which I'm going to demonstrate, I think does a really nice job for sharpening blades. Okay, this particular kit for the Dremel tool actually sharpens a bunch of different blades. You can do chainsaws, you can do garden tools, and you can even use the lawnmower. I'm going to use the attachment specifically designed for sharpening the chainsaw blade. Within the kit, you'll see that this is the shroud that I'm going to use the attachment on the end of the Dremel. You do need to assemble this. This metal has to get mounted onto the plastic housing. The instructions are very crystal clear on how to do that. And then you've got 3 different stones here that you're going to use depending on the size of your chainsaw blade. And so you can measure it, or what I like to do is just take each one of them and see which one fits best. Okay, this is a gas-powered chainsaw. It's a good idea to unplug the spark plug before you do any of this work. Remember that there's a brake here, and you may want to keep that off so that you can rotate this blade as you're using it. Now you can get super precise on this kind of stuff, but with this Dremel tool, what you're trying to do is over time, when you use chainsaw blades, these teeth right here, this top portion is the sharp part, the cutting portion gets blunt, bends over, and that's why it's not sharp and not cutting. So you're going to use this metal as a guide, and you're going to take that along the top edge, and you're going to line up as you look at the angle of the tooth of the blade itself. You're going to turn on your Dremel tool, and you want to sharpen it so that any blunt or darkness is off of there. And do every tooth nice and easy. And you can flip it here. And just change the angle. Again, if you were a professional, you'd really pay attention to the pitch. But for everyday homeowner use, if you take those edges off of each one of those, when this blade isn't cutting, you just spend a little time and rotate the blade and keep sharpening along, you're going to see that you can prolong the life of this blade and make cutting so much easier. A sharp chainsaw blade makes for smooth, safe cutting. The same tool I just used also can help you sharpen your lawnmower blade. That video is coming up next.